Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the art of saving money, helping you build financial stability and reach your goals. In just 10 minutes, you'll discover practical strategies that can truly transform your approach to money. So stick around, because this video might just change your life. 1. Budgeting basics. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial stability. Start by listing all your sources of income for a month, such as your salary, freelance work, or rental income. Then list your monthly expenses, including rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and any discretionary spending like dining out or entertainment. The key here is to subtract your total expenses from your total income. The result should be a positive number, which means you're spending less than you earn. This surplus is what you can't save or invest. If the result is negative, it's time to identify areas where you can't cut back. 2. Pay yourself first. This is psychologically powerful. When you receive your paycheck, set up an automatic transfer to your savings account before you pay your bills or make any discretionary purchases. This pay-yourself-first mentality ensures that saving becomes a top priority. The idea is to treat your savings like a non-negotiable expense, just like your rent or mortgage. By doing this, you guarantee that you save a portion of your income every month without having to think about it. 3. Ditch impulse buys. Impulse buying can quickly drain your finances. 2. Avoid this. Employ the 24-hour rule. When you're tempted to make an impulse purchase, wait for 24 hours before making a decision. Often you'll find that the urge to buy something diminishes after this waiting period. It allows you to evaluate whether the purchase is essential or a fleeting desire. 4. Emergency fund essentials. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It's essential to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in case of unexpected events like medical emergencies or job loss. The idea here is that having this fund will prevent you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. To build your emergency fund, set a specific savings goal and allocate a portion of your income to it each month until you reach your target. 5. Crush debt strategically. Debt can be a heavy burden, but you can tackle it strategically. Start by listing all your debts, including credit card balances, student loans, and personal loans. Prioritize your debts by interest rate, focusing on paying off high-interest debts first while making minimum payments on others. This method, known as the debt snowball or debt avalanche, can save you a significant amount of money in interest over time. The satisfaction of seeing your debts shrink and your financial freedom grow is unparalleled. 6. Frugal living hacks. Frugality doesn't mean living a life of deprivation. It's about making conscious choices to spend less on certain things while still enjoying life. Some frugal living hacks include cooking at home, buying generic brands, using coupons or cashback apps, and cutting unnecessary subscriptions. The idea is to identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your overall quality of life. Discover how much you can save with small changes. 7. Automated saving apps. Automated saving apps make saving money effortless. They allow you to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. These apps often round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the spare change. By using these apps, you'll save and invest without even thinking about it, and your savings will grow over time. 8. Investing for the future. Saving is crucial, but investing is the key to long-term wealth. Consider beginner-friendly investment options like index funds, mutual funds, or robo-advisors. These options offer diversification and lower risk compared to picking individual stocks. Investing allows your money to work for you, potentially generating returns that surpass traditional savings accounts. 9. Side hustles and extra income. Increasing your income through side hustles or additional sources of revenue can supercharge your savings efforts. Whether it's freelance work, a part-time job, or monetizing a hobby, extra income can help you reach your financial goals faster. Realize the power of multiple income streams in securing your financial future. 10. Mindset matters. Saving money isn't just about numbers, it's about your mindset. Cultivate a positive attitude towards saving and financial planning. Visualize your financial goals and the life you want to achieve. Stay motivated by tracking your progress and celebrating milestones along the way. Understand that your financial success is not just about dollars and cents, but about your mindset and determination. There you have it, 10 minutes filled with invaluables and strategies to supercharge your savings journey. If you've made it this far, congratulations! You're on the path to financial freedom. Saving money is a marathon, not a sprint. The journey continues, and we'll be here every step of the way. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our future money-saving episodes. Remember, your financial success story starts today. Share this video with your friends and family because together, we can all thrive financially. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep saving and stay savvy.